Hi friends, it's book time. Are you ready to hear a new story? Let's begin. Why Birds Sing at Dawn. Illustrated by Emmanuel Grepo, written by Zanel Dlamini, and designed by Joseph Makongo Kiyuku. A long time ago, in the forests of Happyland, birds and trees could talk to each other. There was a bird family with 3 children, blue, pink, and yellow. They all live on a big wise tree called Mamango. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. But drought set in on the land. Rivers dried up and leaves fell off. Mamango thought long and hard.
Maybe we should get the magic worm that brings rain. But who can go?
I will go. I'm not afraid.
Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home?
What if we sing Mama's song?
Yellow asked.
Mama said if we sing her song, she will find her way back. But I don't know how to sing,
Cried Pink.
Have you tried singing?
Mamango asked.
I have tried singing.
Said Yellow.
I can teach you.
Early the next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song.
It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine.
And the rain started falling. Eventually, all the birds joined Yellow in song. Mama Birdie found her way back to Happyland, and from then on, birds sang at dawn. The end. Keep those pages turning. See you next time. Bye.